Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a buy button embed that links directly to your Shopify store. So this is useful if you want to place one of your Shopify products on another website, blog, or online page so customers can easily access and purchase it. So to get started, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click apps, then search for the buy button channel. And once you find it, open the app page and select install so that you can add it to your Shopify store. After the installation is complete, open the buy button channel. And from here, look for the option to create a buy button and select it. And then Shopify will then guide you through their setup process. So first, choose the product that you want to use for the buy button. Simply browse through your available products, find the one that you want, and select it. So this will be the product connected to the button once it is added to another website. Next, you can customize how the buy button looks. You can change options such as the color, size, button text, and style. Take a moment to adjust the design so it fits well with the website or page where you plan to place it. Once everything looks the way you want it, continue to the final step, and then Shopify will generate a code for your buy button. So copy this code because this is what you will use to embed the button on another website or online page. That is basically how you create a buy button embed that links back to your Shopify store. So once the code is added to the website you want to use, customers will be able to interact with the button and access the selected Shopify product more easily. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.